Hi everyone, I am Ayushi Srivastav, post-graduated from NMIMS Indore, PGDM 2021 batch, and I'm here to share my experience with you all. So to begin with, generally I would say MBA is an industry-oriented program rather than just an academic career progression in your life. So the takeaways from the journey go far beyond than just the technical skills you acquire from any other qualification. Also, it provides you with a platform where you get to know more about your own personality, your interest, and then put together these two with the opportunities presented to you. You have a much wider clarity and vision towards your own professional goals. To be specific about the 2 year journey at NMIMS Indore, I would say it is so comprehensive that it has made the graduates much better team players, more resilient and adaptive towards the dynamic business culture. Also, it has provided us with the exposure that to grow personally and professionally because of the networking edge, the pure learning, because of the diverse batch. I would say my journey at NMIMS has been really enriching. Also, the institution has the legacy to be largely student driven, hence, a journey at NMIMS Indore and at NMIMS becomes completely dependent upon how he or she gets to chisel out the opportunities and carve a way out. Talking about my learning curve at NMIMS Indore, I would say the curriculum is so comprehensive and it incorporates the subjects that give direct insights into the practices and principles adopted by the industry. Also, the curriculum is intertwined with the corporate, so we got a chance to learn directly from the industry experts. They present the challenges that an industry face on a daily day-to-day basis and the solutions that are brought to the table. Also, I got a chance to know how the concepts that I have learned academically in my classroom get implemented in the industry. So I would say whatever you learn in these 2 years definitely benefit you as soon as you start working. Also, NMIMS ensures that you get the best of the knowledge resources, and also the learning process as well as the teaching process is so rigorous that it has made the students much better communicators, more adaptive, flexible, attentive to details, as well as critical thinkers along with analytical minds. So, and personally, I would say that MBA has made us much better active listeners as well as empathetic decision makers. So, post MBA, when we get a chance to lead, to walk a path of a leader, I would say these are the traits that go a long way in our leadership. So these were my takeaways from the journey, and I'm sure you make your own journey worth remembering. Um, all the very best for your future endeavors, and thank you. Take care of yourself. Thank you so much. Bye bye.